Good. Thank you very much for your work. Uh, Good sentences, good word choices. Brilliant. Now, just a minor thing that I would like to say. You said here, Pranab Mistry had a dream to connect, and he wanted to make a modern device that's portable and easy. Um, your paragraph here is talking about partly talking about the dream and partly talking about the modern device and portable and easy to carry and so on and so on. So my suggestion, if you can combine these two sentences into one sentence, that's nice sentence become the topic sentence of your paragraph. That's brilliant. But anyway, in general, you've done a very good job. Thank you very much. Looking forward to receiving your other work. Thank you.